Marijuana Detox. As you may know, marijuana has been the most commonly used illegal drugs in the United States. Many lives were ruined by the use of it, but still, more and more people are becoming dependent to it. Drug addicts have used it to answer their cravings, and it's heartbreaking to know that many of those who have become dependent to marijuana have lost their worth as human beings. Yes, they lost their families, friends, and even themselves. It's really a sad story to tell, but that's what marijuana can bring you into. It can ruin your life, your education, your work, and everything you are connected with, and if you don't quit from it, there's no hope for you to succeed. Well, it is for this reason that people who have tried marijuana are strongly recommended to undergo a cleansing process known as marijuana detoxification. Marijuana detox is by nature medical. It involves the process of cleansing the body from all the effects of the weed which were accumulated and built up from the years of marijuana use. Usually, the marijuana detox happens in few days and will only be stopped until your body gets clean or you become sober. If you have been using marijuana and you realize that it's bad for your health, the marijuana detoxification process is the primary step to take to fully eliminate your craving for this illicit drug. Yes, it comes first before the real and actual recovery and abstinence. However, detoxifying from marijuana is not an easy and quick process to consider. The reason for this is that unlike the common drugs, the effects of marijuana stay in the body for a long period of time. The toxins brought by its use are stored in the fat cells, making them tough to clear. So even if you have been considering marijuana detox for a month or so, some parts of your body may still remain filled with THC, the active chemical present in marijuana. Well, that doesn't mean that marijuana detoxification won't work as effective as possible. The truth is, it will work best only if you continue applying it with a proper medical guidance. Yes, marijuana detox won't be successful if it's not performed with a proper medical assistance. As mentioned earlier, the detox process is a medical process, so it must be performed with the medical specialists. There is another reason for marijuana detox to be performed by experts, and that is the fact that the process yields a number of serious and chronic side effects. In the first day of withdrawal, symptoms like insomnia, loss of appetite, irritability, and restlessness may occur. Aside from that, headaches, intense sweating, weight loss, kidney pains, nausea, vomiting, stomach aches and cramps, eye problems, hormonal changes, and even impotency may also manifest. Worse is that, if the withdrawal is not properly supervised and treated with the right solution, it can lead to death. With all such effects, marijuana detox is now handled by a number of medical and drug facilities. The person who is treated with it is also given certain remedies for all the symptoms of withdrawal to cease. Proper exercise, drinking plenty of water, eliminating caffeine intake, and hot soaking baths are among the most commonly recommended remedies.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.